welcome to my design for manufacturing final project. Here I built and fully fabricated a fireplace. The main components are the sides, the base, the feet, the concrete insert, and the grips. Here I am looking at it in CAD, just taking a look over at everything. This is what it's going to look like when it's finished. Super proud and excited to show you guys this project, so let's get into it. For the manufacturing processes, I use more manual ones than not. A lot of hand tool work, machining, fabricating, welding, some casting, and then some smoothing out some concrete later on. Here I am just marking up and cutting out my designs. This is 11 gauge sheet metal or hot rolled steel sheet that I got for a good deal on Facebook Marketplace. Cutting it out was interesting because I had to use an angle grinder, but it worked out. Here I am smoothing out all of my rough cuts. Just don't want to have any loose ends get cut in the process. Then I'm drilling out all of my holes on the sides for ventilation and then also for the handles, which I'll get to later on. Then I have to cut out my feet. They're cut into 1" by 1" cubes. These had to be very precise. And then here I am just cleaning up my surfaces. A dirty surface you won't be able to weld on. That would really be a pain, a lot of splatter. Here I am tacking everything together out here in my garage. This is like my third project that I've got to use my welder, and I think it's just super sick. Here I am welding it all together, one for structural, but two just to make everything look nice. I think it looks a lot better when it's all welded. I ended up welding the inside and outside, and then the feet. Here I am doing the feet. This is probably the most tedious part, just a lot of turns and rotating. Next is my silicone grips. Here I am pouring out the silicone base and then the activator agent to follow. You had to do a 100:3 ratio for this stuff, so just kind of getting a good idea of that, mixing it all together. And then after I mix it, I poured it into my mold, which was just two pieces of PVC, one with a larger outer diameter and one with a smaller inner diameter, stacked inside each other. After that, I was able to release it from its mold, which I just took the angle grinder, just cut it down one side because I was already going to run a knife blade down that to open it up and be able to slide it onto my handles, which I think came out really nice. It's super functional. And the heat resistant grips along with this refractory concrete that I'm setting right now, this is functional because it just makes the heat last longer, and it's heat resistant. This is the overall look of my final project. I just haven't had the time to get outside and use it, but thank you for watching.